What it is? Oh, what's up? What's up? What it is? Oh, what's up? You clicked on the link so I don't have to say live, laugh, love. Haven't you heard? It's vlogs with Jay Bird. Ay, live, love, laugh. Haven't you heard? It's vlogs with Jay Bird. Jay Bird. Jay Bird. Jay Bird. Hey.
Live, laugh, love, haven't you heard? It's Jay Bird back on the video. Hey, Jay Bird, what it is? Oh, what's up? What's up? You clicked on the link, so I do not have to say too much in that line, period. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you don't know who I am, then hit the subscribe button to find out. Basically, I'm really cool. I post twice a week, Wednesdays and Fridays. I'm not even gonna say a time anymore because, yeah, I just post twice a week. If you're looking for a channel like that posts hauls, lifestyle videos, story times, a bunch of stuff about food now because people want me to post more food videos, educational videos, inspirational videos. If you're looking for that, then you're at the right place, you're at the right channel. But today I'm not even gonna give you a whole spiel. Just follow me on Snapchat, follow me on Instagram, like this button, give it a thumbs down if you absolutely hate it, and let's just go ahead and get into this haul. So this is the first outfit. It's a two-piece set and it's from Shein. The only thing that I don't like is the fact that the lines aren't necessarily, oh, maybe if I did that. I really don't know, y'all. Like, it's something about this set that I really don't really like. It's like how boxy it is. And I'm not really like boxy. Like, look how much, do you see this? This is what I mean. Like, maybe I got it in a size too big and I probably should have went a size down. Oh, that's another thing, ladies. All the sizes and all the links to the clothing items will be down below in the description. Next item.
And the Jay Bird production will be giving a voiceover through the rest of the video. So this is an item that I actually returned. It was supposed to be a two-piece. It was really a three-piece. As you can see, the top part is taken over the bandeau top. The skirt had a hole in it. That's why it's being returned. Not only that, the skirt was extremely long. And I'm 5'4", and I'm not trying to trip and end my life. I also can't walk in heels. So yeah, also the skirt where it was hugging me on my body, I believe I got it in a size too big. Even though it still fit me, the skirt was like laying right over my lower half of my stomach, and I think it's supposed to be midway. So yeah. You can also get this item that I decided to keep. It is a romper. It looks like a dress, but it's actually a romper. And that's one thing I like about it, actually, because the fit is very appropriate. It is at an appropriate length, and it felt so freeing. Like, even though I had the romper on, it literally felt like I had no clothes on whatsoever. Like, that's how breathable this material was. And then they give you, there's holes like for you to put this belt in, which really secured it as well, which I really like. I think you could wear this to like a brunch or to like some type of chilled sister outing or sister day, or to the beach or something like that. But I loved it. The print threw me, but I ended up liking it. The next item is this t-shirt, and let me tell you that even though it's cheap, Shein, no cap, you know what you're doing when it comes to the graphic tees, okay? This graphic tee says wash your hands, and I just got it because I'm sarcastic like that. And sorry, got distracted. But anyways, the shirt was great material and very stretchy. Now this, oh Lord, I don't even know at this point. Shein, you just let me down. Okay, I thought this shirt was gonna be cotton. All right, I thought it was gonna be like, I don't know. I was just highly stressed, to be honest. Very stressed when I tried this on because it's not what I expected. The material made me feel like I was gonna be a karate instructor or something like that, a Karate Kid, or I was gonna be a praise dancer. And I mean, there's nothing wrong with that, but at the end of the day, I did not think it was gonna be like that, and it wasn't a fave, so it was returned very quickly. Next, we have these shoes. They actually fit very comfortably, like a sock almost on your foot. And the inside of the sole of the shoe is actually very soft. Like, I've already walked 2 trails on them, with them, and they're very comfortable and they're easy to clean. Next, I got this crop top, asymmetrical crop top, and I thought, why not? I thought it would be something different. It's really cute. I vibe with it, but it's just awkward because I don't know what to pair it with yet. I think I want to get like some sweatpants to rock with it instead of jeans. Next, I actually kept this two-piece, but I'm obsessed with this two-piece. It gives me Island Girl vibes, like brown skin girl. But anyways, I'm obsessed with it. I like the top because you can tie it in many ways. So the first way I had it tied in the back. Second way I had it tied in the front. You can also wear it off the shoulders. Also, there are two little loops in the front where you can put buttons. I just have it unbuttoned to give you an idea if you wanted to use it, like wear the top off the shoulder to show a little cleavage. Or you can do the third way, which is just showing one shoulder. Or you can do a fourth way where you tie it in the back and show both shoulders, or button it in the front. So that's why I'm obsessed with that two-piece. Now, this next item I decided to keep is another graphic tee. Obsessed. I might actually get another one like this in black. It fit me perfectly. It was like the perfect oversized t-shirt I could ever ask for, to be honest. I've already wore it with joggers. You could also tuck it in with jeans. It was just so nice. It didn't hug me in my arms. It was the best graphic tee. I'm going to go back to Shein for more, for sure. The next item I got was this little bell sleeve boohoo type looking top, or boho style, or hippie style, whatever you want to claim it. I've always liked orange on the color of my skin, and I've always liked tops that have really wide sleeves, or tops that were like floral and orange. It always looks really good on my skin, and it really looked well with blue jeans. When I paired it, the orange just picked up even more. So I would definitely say wear it with a denim blue skirt versus white if you're gonna get this top, or wear it with some distressed jeans and maybe some like cute sandals. So now we have on the bathing suits, and listen here, body positivity only. If you want to come for me in the comments, that's fine. I have boy shorts underneath everything that I'm trying on. But yeah, so moving on, this is a neon swimsuit bikini three-piece set, and I love the see-through top. It has a very supportive strap at the mid and at the top, and that's really surprising for me because I'm a 38H in a bra, so anything that's super supportive as a bikini top is legit amazing. The next bathing suit is this neon orange one. I mean, I guess if I go to the beach at night, everybody can see me, but anyways, the only thing I don't like about this top is that they have padding in the bosom area, and I'm not really sure why. I mean, I'm guessing like a nipple cover, but other than that, I'm obsessed with it. Like, it looks really nice against my skin, and at nighttime, like, it'll look nice because it'll like glow up like the green one as well. The next bathing suit was this cheetah print one that I'm obsessed with. Like, y'all, it looks so nice on my skin. It fit me. It gave me the most support of my bosom area that I've ever had from a bikini top in my life. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul video, mini haul, and I'm so sorry I had to return things, but yeah. Give this video a thumbs up if you loved it. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the subscribe button and notification button so you'll be notified when I post a video. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, and see you Friday. Bye.